Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I prepared this mayonnaise in less than 5 minutes, stick around. Let's get right into the video. So these are just the basic things you need for the mayonnaise. You need cooked eggs. I have 3 cooked eggs. And you can use fresh eggs to prepare mayonnaise. I've used fresh eggs before to prepare mayonnaise and it came out very well. I'll be adding some lemon juice. You can use lime juice. You can use fresh one, but I have the bottled one. Add some salt to taste. You can add some black pepper or minced pepper if you want, but it's not a must. So I'm adding some pepper. Remember I said adding pepper is not a must. Follow it up with some vegetable oil. Basically what you need for your mayonnaise is egg and vegetable oil, but other things can follow up if you want. So I added like 50 ml of vegetable oil. You can add more oil or less oil depending on how thick or light you want it. Then I added just little bit of water, about 10 ml of water to this. Then just blend everything till it is smooth and your mayonnaise is ready just like that. So I blended this first, then I had to scoop around the blender so that I make sure that everything is well incorporated. Then I cover and blend again for the last time. Then it is ready. Then I will scoop it out inside my plate just for you to see the consistency of this mayonnaise. And the mayonnaise tasted so good. You know why I did this mayonnaise? I wanted to make egg salad. Then I found out that my mayonnaise has finished and I can't make egg salad without mayonnaise. That was why I made this mayonnaise. In the next video, I will show you the recipe for the egg salad. Meanwhile, this was the salad after making it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye and see you in my next video. Ciao.